DJI Mavic Mini on its way. Got that coming up next. Last night, Marcus Crawford and I shared the exciting news, which was broke by Drone DJ yesterday, that the DJI Mavic Mini was on the FCC Grant ID database. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and share that in its entirety. Well, now we're getting to DJI's response, and what a response it was. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and share the screen here. Our good friend, Hey Kestelou, Drone DJ, has a fantastic article on this. And you can see DJI Mavic Mini confirmed in FCC database filing, okay? And it's there, Mavic Mini. And the links are in here. And I'm going to drop a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check that out. According to the latest rumors, a small foldable unmanned aircraft will weigh in at 245 grams. If that is, Marcus, these things are going to fly off the flipping shelf.
They won't be able to keep them on the shelf. Yeah.
Yeah. And here's the label for it, and the label location, which is going to be inside the compartment there.
And these are those old pictures, aren't they?
Right. These are the old pictures, although these are some new ones right here with the adapter right here. I hadn't seen these before. These are new pictures. Talking about a runtime of 18 minutes, a range of 3.1 miles, top speed of 31, 12 megapixel stills, okay, and 4K 30. Boy, where did we just say that? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, they're expecting it to be $399 and the drone be released well before Q4 shopping season. Okay,
$399, really?
Yeah, that's what Drone DJ is saying. Now, in the confidentiality letter from June 25th, DJI requested a short-term secrecy cycle of 180 days, which brings us to December 22nd. We expect DJI Mavic Mini to be released well before the shopping season. Wouldn't surprise us if we still see this new drone hit the market later this month. Okay. Now, first of all, one of the things that I want to bring up with you is, there's an old saying at the church that I went to: when I pray, coincidences happen. When I don't, they don't. Okay. I don't believe this is a coincidence, Marcus. What do you think?
Yeah, no, I don't think so either. I'm sure. I guarantee you that a company as sophisticated as DJI is up to speed with what their competition is doing, and vice versa. I'm sure Skydio, those guys are all well connected in the tech universe, and I'm sure they had a pretty good idea of what DJI is going to be throwing out there. So, yeah, it's good for all of us. And $399, like you said, Bill. Holy cow, that just opens up that price point. That would be stunning. And so the first thing I'm thinking of when you said $399, I thought, okay, what does that do to drones like the Zino Pro? That makes that thing, it better be $150 or nobody will buy it.
Oh yeah.
Why would they?
Oh yeah. That's just that's just one of those things that I think, if this is the 245 grams, like they're talking about this, it's just gonna fly. It's just absolutely gonna fly.
Yeah. So what's that? That means that you wouldn't have to register it. Now, right. You still have to abide by all the FAA regulations, but for some reason that appeals to a lot of people. I mean, I don't think that's not something that would that bothers me, putting my drone number on the side of a drone, but I know it's something that a lot of people do get kind of excited about. So man, they won't be able to keep them in stock.
And to me, and I
will
say,
that button quick, Bill. That's what I'm telling you.
Oh gosh, yeah. As soon as that, and I think what they'll do is, knowing DJI's history, okay, and what they did almost this entire year is they've all been soft releases, from the smart controller down to the Osmo Mobile 3. They've all been smart releases or soft releases, meaning it's just announced on the web. They don't have to spend the money to hold an event, because those events, I can tell you, they cost DJI a bundle of money. That way it saves them that money. The other thing I wanted to mention is this, okay? Hey Kestelou took a lot of heat for this.
He
Hey
did.
was spot on.
As did you.
As did I. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
and we had Hey on. You remember the show? We had him on, and we talked to him about this. He's always, and that's why. And I know, and I've talked to Billy and Ken about this too. Hey is very accurate in what he says. Okay, he doesn't come out and put things out here without fact checking and without doing some research. Okay, he's part of that 9 to 5 group. Okay, and they're well-known technical journals online. Okay, that 9 to 5 group is fantastic. 9 to 5 Google, Mac, all that. They do a fantastic job. So hey, if you're watching tonight, kudos to you. You did absolutely fantastic on this. Absolutely. And and people are asking, already, and I've seen in the chat, somebody says $399. Is that with or without remote? Okay. Now, it's very, very, I think it's going to be with remote, because I think this is going to be such a small drone. I don't see them not selling it with a remote. However, I think a Fly More package is probably going to run about $599 for something like this. Include your couple extra batteries, a case, a charging, different kind of charging brick to charge more than one battery at a time, that kind of a thing. But pricing it right like this, it's going to be under a lot of Christmas trees this year, Marcus. I guarantee you that.
Yeah, no, they better have a bunch of them. So I'm going to disagree with you on one thing. $399. I'll bet you the remote. You're going to have to pony another $100. I mean, that $399, Bill, that just sounds almost too good to be true to me.
Oh yeah, it does to me as well. But I'm thinking, as far as DJI knew this all along. Okay, I can't help but believe, and like we talked when we talked about how the coincidence thing, they have their, if you want to call them spies, but they have their people in the industry that know others in the industry that tell them things. Okay, they knew Skydio 2 was coming out, and their timing on this was impeccable. I mean, they say timing is absolutely everything, and it is in this instance. It's impeccable. It came right out. There was absolutely no problem about that whatsoever. Question of the day: will you be buying a DJI Mavic Mini? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.